Hello guys, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to create snow text reveal effect in After Effects. So without any wait, let's see the preview. Here you can see, I have already imported media files which we are going to use in this tutorial. You can download this media files from the link given in the description. So without any wait, let's create snow text reveal. Create a new composition. Name it as text animation. As usual, set width and height to 1920 by 1080 pixels. Make sure frame rate is set to 30 frames per second. Here we will set time duration to 3 seconds. Perfect. Now here, first, we will add our text. Here you can add any text you want. Here I am going to use UT font family. Let's slightly increase the font size. Perfect. Let's align the text to center. Perfect. Now we will pre-compose our text layer. Let's name it as text. Perfect. Now let's create a new solid layer. Name it as noise. We will use this layer to reveal our text. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Fractal Noise, add it to Noise layer. For Fractal Noise, let's adjust the contrast, set it to near about 650. Perfect. Now make sure you are at start of the timeline. Now create a keyframe for brightness, change brightness to near about 400. Now at end of the timeline, change brightness to near about -350. You can see the preview. Perfect. Now press the Alt key and click on Stopwatch of Evolution. Now enter expression, time 400. Perfect. Now for text composition, change track matte to Luma inverted matte noise. You can see the preview. Perfect. Now let's add the snow text media file to timeline. You can see the preview. Perfect. This snow effects is made using Trapcode plugin. If you want to know how to make this effect, then let me know in the comment section. Now select all layers. Pre-compose them. Name it as snow text reveal. Perfect. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Fill. Add it to snow text reveal composition. Here if you want you can set any color of your choice. But let's keep it as white. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Glow, add it to snow text reveal composition. For glow, change glow threshold to 10%. Change glow radius to 50. Perfect. Now let's add the background image to timeline. Here you can scale your image file if needed. I will scale my image file to fit the composition. Let's recompose it. Name it as media. Now we need to add light leak media file to timeline, place it above the media file composition. We need to change mode to add. Perfect. Now let's add the snow media file to timeline, place it above snow text composition. Perfect. Now let's create a new adjustment layer. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Curves, add it to Adjustment Layer. Now slightly adjust the curves as shown. Perfect. Again add curves. Slightly adjust the curves as shown. Perfect. Now let's see the preview. Perfect. Here our simple snow text reveal is created. To make this as slideshow, you can use my 25 glass transition pack, which is available for free on my store. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then make sure to like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.